In today's video we're going to build this workbench. And it's the first time. I have no clue what I'm doing. But I think it's quite nice for the first time. It's very sturdy and maybe you could learn a few things. How is this miter saw? My table saw, and there's going to be some sanding stuff right over here. I used all the techniques that I found on the YouTube Academy, and I'm going to try every technique, look what I like, what I don't like. I'm going to take you for the journey. My name is Yves and you're watching NoizieWorks. First step of building a table, make some legs. The legs are ready and now it's time to put in the braces. Oh yeah, did I tell you? I have no clue what I'm doing. So guys, this is going to conclude the video for today. In the next video we will be looking for some, wait a minute, dust collection. So hang on, subscribe if you want to see the next video, and bye bye!